Hello, this is Michael Jill, and today I want to do a review on this Klein Tools screwdriver. The model number is 32327, and as you can see right here on eBay, there are a lot of different types of Klein screwdrivers. You have the 32581, you have the 32613, you have the 32581, but this is the one that I got, 32327. And the reason I got it is because it has a bunch of different bits. I'm pretty sure all of these are either reversible, just have a few, but they don't have as many as this one. That's why I got this one, and I paid $20 for it. So here it is. This is how it comes. You can just take off this thing right here, and this is how it is. Now it's pretty long for a precision screwdriver, and let me just do a little measurement on it, and let me explain to you why I bought it. It's 8 inches long, and for the thickness, let's say it's about an inch thick. Let's talk about why I bought it. I actually didn't cheap out on screwdrivers. I have the iFixit kit, and this is the Pro kit, and I have a off-brand kit, and both of them are great. I'll show you this kit, the iFixit kit. Here you have a ton of different bits. As you can see, it's literally full of different bits, and this is a precision screwdriver, very high quality, has a lot of other parts in it. And if you look at this one is very similar. At a fraction of the price, you get all of these bits and all of these parts over here, which is pretty cool. This is like $20. The thing with these are that you have to open it, you gotta take it out. This one is just there all the time. And that's the really nice thing about it, is that it's always here. Let's talk about the actual screwdriver then. It's easy to just take out and just start using right away. First things first is that the handle is pretty long, which is nice when you're trying to reach into far places. Each bit is actually reversible. So for example, I have this is not PH2 obviously, this is PH0, Phillips head 0. And over here is a Phillips head 2. This is a 2 Phillips head. And as you can see, it looks a little bit different because since it's so small, that's the size you're going to get. And that's the size that it comes with originally. And it is magnetic, I'm not sure what it is, but it definitely grabs on to the bit set. Now over here you have a top handle that turns, which is basically like every other screwdriver, even the cheap ones that come with some of your SSDs or whatever it is, they'll have a spinning head, which is very nice. But this one obviously is a little bit higher quality. It does go up and down a little bit, but you have a nice grippy over here, and this area is made out of like a rubber material, which is very nice. Over here is made from rubber material too. Over here is plastic yellow, and you could pull this out. Now, is it magnetic? I don't know if I'd say it's magnetic or not. It might be a clip, it might be magnetic. I don't know, but it's definitely hard to pull out, which is nice. You don't want it to just come right out, so you want to be able to pull it out like that. And it has a bunch of different bits in here, as well as the one that comes in the end. So it has all these bits. I'll show you real slowly so you can see what kind of bits it comes with, and they're all double-sided, so you know what you're getting in each one, which is very nice. Like, it's just easy to use. It really is. Just you grab it and you can use it, and there's so many bits in there, it makes it really convenient. Let's just talk about if it's magnetic or not. I guess that can make a big difference. And as you can see, it is magnetic. It's holding this piece of metal right here very nicely. And let's see if I take it out, if it's going to be magnetic. Yeah, it's not magnetic when you take it out. But inside here is clearly a magnet. As you can see, it's holding it very tightly, and it contributes to the magnet that it has. That's very nice. So along with the bits and the fact that it turns when the bits are out, the bits are in, it'll always be turning like this. You can just turn it around and around. This makes it a very nice tool to have. It is a little bit bigger, but it has all those bits, which makes it all worth it. One bit has to be in here all the time because it only fits all of these bits, which is a lot. And it's just good to have everything in one shot. Does it have any other PH2s? Probably. But anyway, it has a lot of different bits. It was only $20, and so far I've been very happy using it. I don't know why I keep putting this back on. You really don't need to. I guess I just don't want to get hurt. But put this back on. I end up most of the time using the PH0 anyway. But if there is a different type of bit, I'll always have it. So I keep it on hand. And of course, I'll keep my iFixit bit for the bigger projects. Let's say I'm taking apart a laptop, I'm always grabbing this. But if I'm just trying to take out some screws, like a few little screws, I'm going to grab the Klein screwdriver. And this is known to be a decent one. Nothing special, nothing amazing, but definitely worth the money. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I hope this helped you in your decision.